1-3, and then there's a squad.
Who just marked that? Robert.
Ignore that.
Silly.
So my damn, where did my mark go? Okay, yeah. So they are here, 1-3, and then there's people
right over
to the
this
far,
hill.
far right, but they're not nowhere near that drop custom weapon.
All right, I'm gonna pop my drone here. I'm just gonna lay down for a sec.
Okay.
Okay, it's kind of hard to see with the trees. I'll get really high though. I don't see anyone close to us. Okay, there's guys over here. Yeah, there's looks like two squads fighting.
Yeah, let's not fight unless we have to. Let's win this.
Right.
Yep.
Let's try to be the last team to fight.
And there are guys over here too.
Sending anti-armor drop to your
Yeah,
location.
these guys are our biggest threat right here to the northwest.
I'm gonna keep us on the fairway and just left here.
Okay, dropping a bomb on that guy.
Yeah, keep us on this like fringe here.
Oh.
Yep.
Northwest is our biggest threat. They're right under the pipeline right now. Kind of far, but not that far. We can try to get
Y'all
position
think we should
on
push on 4? Yeah, push on 3. I mean, because we don't want
Let
them
somebody else deal with it. Let's just stay out of the mess till we're the
Yeah,
last
let's
team.
stay out of
We're
it.
fighting
We're
right now.
we just went from top 10.
Stay
we
back,
just went
guys.
from,
You're pretty far up there.
We just went from top 10 to top 5, and because you're gonna have to back up the zone anyway.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
sneaking.
Pop and drop.
Stay back. Stay back.
I'm gonna
People here.
Keith, we just got
Artillery
air
over
truck. We
here.
gotta
Guys
go.
right by me.
I see him up ahead, I think. Maybe.
They're right here. They're right here.
Pop in my drone.
Got one.
I don't see him.
They're right here.
They're on your side?
They're over by them. They're
Right here.
About to
Right
drop
here.
a bomb on him. It's down.
Okay.
Taking his
Yeah,
boy
the
right
mark.
now.
Drop a bomb. I'm putting my
I
drone
did.
up.
I got it.
Nice. Alright, I'm putting my drone up. Nice.
Fucking
got
wrecked
him.
Oh,
him.
guys right here.
I
To the left.
just-
To the left. Keith, he's got anti-tank.
Keith, they're still
He's
going.
single flesh. To your left.
Got him.
He's getting hit by
Back
another
up.
team. Alright, I'll
I
find the
sniped
last
that
guy.
dude in the head with the
They're
fucking...
right here. They're right
Right
here.
here.
They're right here.
Yep, they're right here. There's
Popping
two.
the drone. Popping my
One here,
drone.
one here.
Popping my drone.
There's one moving left.
I tagged one on the.
Reposition move now.
Hurt him.
He's right here. Yep.
Got him.
Nice. I'm gonna kill confirm him. He's done.
Backing it up.
Last guy is.
He's right here. He's right here. He's
there.
right here.
Yep,
He's right
This
here.
is the last guy right there. Finish him.
Where is he?
Got him. 45. He's right over here, Keith. Right behind us.
I see him.
Behind us. Nope.
Nope, he's not
Yeah,
behind
he's right
him.
here.
He's on 3.
Yeah,
He's on
he's right
three.
on Robert. See Robert? Robert's pushing him.
Robert's gonna kill him.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. 15 kills.
Let's
Let's
go.
go.
Let's go.
15 shillings.
And I got
was
that
like, I
on
did
Robert,
45.
too. Oh, yeah.
Me too.
Let's go.
Not bad.
Let's
Not
go.
bad.
As a
call
full
out.
squad again. As a full squad with the boys.
Well, we got
Yes.
to play.
That was such a like peak communication too, like the way
Yes,
we
it
worked.
was.
That was.